Sui was built by former Meta Facebook engineers. It's fast, low-fee, layer 1 built for everyday people to use, invest, and create. Fast, low fees, built for billions. Here is why this is worth your attention. Fees are near zero, a new project for profitable investing, and plenty of opportunities to create. It's easy to understand all the excitement around Sui. If using is almost free, what's stopping you from using it? Drop answers in the comments. If you want clear, simple, and honest answers, hit subscribe and jump into our Telegram group for market update between videos. Watch till the end to see experts' price prediction for Sui. This is Roshan, practical crypto education in English and Dari with more languages on the way. We are independent researchers presenting these videos for educational purposes only, not financial advice. We may hold Sui. Let's all become Roshan together. Stick around. Later, I'll show you one bold bet Sui is making outside of finance. Sui's mainnet launched on May 3rd, 2023. As of September 15, 2025, Sui is in the top 20 projects by market cap. Markets change daily, but the direction is clear. It is now a major layer 1. Sui is young but growing fast. Here is where Sui really stands out. Sui organizes data as objects, so transactions run in parallel instead of one long queue. Think of Sui blockchain as Sui City, full of open lanes. In Sui City, transactions are cars and apps are businesses. With so many lanes, cars doing different jobs don't cross paths. Result: no crossing, no traffic lights, just speed. Pause here. If the City Sui analogy makes sense, drop a red car emoji in the comments. Behind the scenes, Novel spreads data like smart traffic sensors, while Mysticity organizes everything into the right order, keeping the city running and cars moving. Developers code with Move, a coding language built for asset safety like money. Developers create the city and write the city's traffic rules, preventing scammers from creating fake fuel Sui coins, stealing from businesses, or blocking cars' transactions. Quick question. What makes Sui fast? Bigger blocks or parallel execution? Parallel execution using the Move coding language. Now, let's talk money, the lifeblood of the city. The token is also called Sui. It's used for fees and staking to secure the city. Think of Sui as the fuel for the cars and businesses in Sui City. Holders can delegate their voting power to validators to help govern the city. Total supply of Sui will be 10 billion with scheduled future unlocks. Current circulation is 3.5 billion Sui coins. Price is $3.50 USD. The information shown in this video is accurate as of recording. Here is the picture. There will only ever be 10 billion liters of fuel Sui coins in Sui City. And right now, only 3.5 billion liters have been pumped. Quick question again. What is the total supply of Sui? 10 billion. So, where does Sui fit in the big picture? Bitcoin stores value. Ethereum is the backbone of stablecoins and the most amount of apps. Solana maximizes for raw speed. Sui leans into parallel execution and smoother user experience built for micropayments, gaming, and real-time finance. The network runs in 24-hour epochs, where the network is locked down for safety, After 24 hours, Sui continuously delivers steady updates. And here is the frontier play. Sui has designed a handheld gaming device, Sui Play X0X1, with pre-orders and delivery targeted for 2025. It is aiming more than finance into the gaming industry. A bold bet, crypto-native gaming in your hands. That's the bet I teased you about earlier. If the bet pays off, we predict the price of Sui will explode. Question again. Did you know that you can get paid as you play games on crypto games? But let's be real for a moment. Sui is still new, competing with Ethereum, Solana, Aptos, and many Ethereum Layer 2s. Both Solana and Aptos also use smooth coding language to chase speed and low fees. Sui is held strong, $3.53 USD today. Some experts predict it could double to $6 by the end of 2025, and even reach $45 by 2040. But here is the catch. Most predictions are wrong. That's why what matters is a clear investment and risk management. And coming up next, Helium. The people's wireless internet. Big promises, real devices, but can it truly reshape how the big internet companies are built? Don't miss it. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and drop the next project you want in the comment. Telegram links in the description for daily notes. Until then, stay Roshan.